Okay, kicking drills. Use your back leg. Every kick, you shout. Ready? Stretch, kick. And 1. Kick high. 1. 2. 3. Change foot. And 1. 2. 3. Change foot. And front kick, front kick. Ready? 1, 2. Sinabi ko na kanina ang pagkakaiba ng front kick tsaka stretch kick, ha? 3. Change foot. 1, 2, 3. Change foot.